A garden is your own little museum. It's a living museum. We specialize in old, rare, and unusual, and selected modern roses. If you just stick to only what the main big box nurseries have, just like limiting your diet, you're limiting the beauty of your garden. Literally 3% of roses that have ever been grown aren't available today. When people choose to buy locally, it helps us keep our garden going. When you enter this upper garden, what we call the upper garden, it is sort of a walk through history with some of the more selected modern roses at the beginning. And as you go back to the back of the garden, we have some of the most ancient varieties. It's just a very peaceful place. Nowadays, you know, life is so stressful, it's chaotic, it's uncertain, and I would just love that people come and have a moment of peace and enjoyment. Stop and smell the roses.